So friends, if you are a Nothing smartphone enthusiast or looking to upgrade, there's good news. The brand is preparing to launch the Nothing Phone 3 and leaks have already given us some important information about its release schedule, pricing and features. With AI-driven features, a high-performance chipset and an upgraded camera, this might be the most premium Nothing offering yet. Let's dive deeper into what to anticipate from the new Nothing Phone 3. So friend, Nothing Phone 3 will reportedly come out in India in July 2025. The launch trend is in tandem with that of its predecessor Nothing Phone 2, which was launched in July 2023. While there is no word on the same from the company, tipster Abhishek Yadav has suggested a mid-2025 release. The brand initially intended to bring it out earlier this year, but things have gotten delayed. With March ending and April approaching, the smartphone's launch appears to be just 3 months away, and Nothing Phone 3 is likely to be cheaper than 50,000. For context, the Nothing Phone 2 was launched at Rs 44,999 rupees. As Nothing is also famous for competitive pricing, the new device could witness a minor hike as the company has taken more than 1.5 years to work on the phone. Launching significant AI-based features and enhancements, the phone can be expected to be more expensive than its competitors. A few thousand rupees hike is likely. Nothing Phone 3 is set to come with 6.77-inch 1.5K AMOLED LTPO display supporting 120Hz refresh rate and 3000 nits of peak brightness. This would provide an improved visual experience with smoother animation and improved outdoor visibility. Battery-wise, the phone could pack either a 5000 mAh or a 5300 mAh battery, a notable increase from the 4700 mAh battery of the Nothing Phone 2. Internally, the Nothing Phone 3 is set to come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor found on other top-tier devices like the OnePlus 13R. The chipset supports phenomenal gaming speeds with the capability of running such games as Genshin Impact with medium-level graphics. Not only that, this will also be the company's first product that features artificial intelligence-based enhancements, making Nothing Phone 3 the brand's most premium product up to date. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.